Hello, Berlin. Hello, Finnovate. We are Dorsum. We deliver software solutions for financial institutions like BNP Paribas, Raiffeisen, or OTP Bank. Last year, we showed you how to put together a complete portfolio in just minutes in our investment app, MyWealth. Today, we'll show you how the story continues with an online client meeting. Even in the digital age, personal connections are still the most important for every customer, from VIP clients to those with less experience. Ákos here will be representing both, because customer convenience comes first for everyone. Now we're going to...
I'm terribly sorry to interrupt, but I just received a warning.
Yes?
It says that due to recent virus outbreaks causing mass hysteria, my portfolio's value has fallen by 10%. They suggest that I rebalance my portfolio. Do you know what this means?
I'm so sorry, but I'm just the narrator. Why don't you call your advisor instead?
Well, I can try, but he's always busy.
Well, let's try anyway.
Okay.
Operator wasn't expecting.
The number you have dialed is busy. What else were you expecting?
Okay.
You see?
Yeah, you're right. In this case, use the new communication features in your investment app. These features are the subject of our demo today, the Wealth Management Communication Hub. The hub connects advisors and clients through notifications and real-time chat.
Chat? I'll be finally able to reach you, even when you're busy.
Even when he's busy.
But wait, won't my personal information be stolen or misused?
Don't worry. The hub is an integrated solution, not a third-party app. It connects directly to the bank systems, and both require authentication.
Okay, yeah, well, I trust my bank. Let's do it. I'll message him.
Okay, you do that. In the meantime, let's switch over to the advisory side. This is our wealth management platform. Ákos's message should arrive soon.
Hey, I just got a warning, and I understand nothing. Please get back to me ASAP.
Hi, Ákos. You have just received an automated alert from our system. I will get back to you in a sec.
The system can handle dozens of similar automated alerts, such as upcoming maturity dates or profit and loss calculations.
But in the meantime, I will send you some educational content about the importance of rebalancing through our chatbot.
Oh, cool. I guess I won't have to Google what rebalancing means.
Exactly, because while the advisor checks on the client's investments, the bot displays educational information about the basics of rebalancing. For example, in an unstable market, it's best to sell risky and buy safe.
Okay, so now I understand why I got the alert. What is the next step here?
Well, check your phone again. I think your advisor is available now. But guys, we only have 7 minutes, and there's much more to the communication hub than simple chatting, so let's skip typing for now.
Okay, here I am. Sorry about that.
Yeah, whatever.
Ákos, I had a look at your portfolio. I think we can put some of your money into less risky investments, just to be sure.
Okay, surprise me.
Okay. Well, I remember you were a big fan of green energy. We have some great products for those who support companies that take sustainability seriously.
Yeah, let's roll.
Okay, if you like it, I will send you over the product-related documentation. There you go.
Thanks, I'll check it out. Well, it's green, and I see it's going up, so yeah, let's put some money into it, Imre.
Okay, let's do it a bit more seriously. So I'm using the platform to rebalance your portfolio. In this step, I'm going to sell some of your risky investments and purchase some more secure green energy stocks and bonds. So let's synchronize your portfolio to the new strategy. And if we accept this recommendation, I have to send you over some obligatory documents that you have to sign.
Ugh, so I guess I have to come by when I get back to Frankfurt?
No need. We can do everything digitally.
What do you mean?
Well, how you can use your smile to sign.
What?
I will use the new communication hub to send you over those documents, and you can use Face ID to sign them. See? It will take only a smile.
Well, let's see. Cool.
Well, I think we are all done.
Wow, that took less than 5 minutes. It usually takes about an hour in person.
I'm happy to hear that your portfolio has been just rebalanced, your money is more secure now. Well, Enjoy your stay in Berlin.
I'm sure I will.
Thank you, guys. So, what we saw here today was just one example of an online client meeting. But the best thing about the Communication Hub is efficiency. The same meeting can take place with all of the advisor's clients at once, saving time and money. Isn't that right?
Yeah, that's right. As you can see, I'm now sending out a mass notification about the same green energy product for all the clients who could be potentially interested in it.
In this way, the Communication Hub saves time and money for banks and clients through real-time customer engagement. Every message is logged and is GDPR compliant, making it superior to non-binding email. And it allows banks to reach the mass affluent as well as the private banking segments with digital banking products without losing the personal touch. We know that many of you are thinking about implementing similar solutions in the future. It's time to stop thinking and start acting, because see, those interested are already replying to Imre. If you're also interested, come and talk with us outside, but in the meantime, please, do not forget to vote.
Dorsum!